Let's take a quick look at some of the powerful features available in PineGrow. Start by selecting an element, such as the main title. In the Properties panel, locate the Components section to convert this element into a reusable component. Click the Create Component button. Assign a unique ID to the component, for example, poem title. Click Done to save the component, and you will see a notification that it has been updated. You will find your new poem title component listed under the project components. Simply drag and drop it onto the page to create a new instance. Any edits made to the component definition will automatically update every instance on the page, keeping your design consistent. Next, PineGrow allows you to turn static HTML websites into dynamic WordPress themes. Scroll down to the WordPress section in the Properties panel and click Activate WordPress. In the settings, choose your project type, either a full theme or a block plugin, and configure the details. We won't cover the full setup here, but we have many tutorials available to help you master WordPress development with PineGrow. PineGrow also features a powerful interactions engine for creating custom web animations. Switch to the Interactions panel and click Activate Interactions to get started. To add an interaction to a component instance, we must first edit its definition, so click the button to proceed. Now click on Add Interaction. Name the interaction Jump, set the trigger to click, and choose Bounce from the animation list. You can test the effect immediately. Interactions are a professional-grade tool with many possibilities, so be sure to check out our dedicated documentation to learn more. Finally, let's explore the AI Assistant panel. This powerful tool is deeply integrated into PineGrow's visual interface. It works with your own API keys, allowing you to choose from multiple providers to power the assistant. For the best experience and access to all models, we recommend using OpenRouter. Currently, Google's Gemini models are excellent choices for web design tasks. Note that the AI Assistant works best with Tailwind CSS projects, where the structure and styling are combined in the HTML. It also supports Bootstrap, but is less effective for projects that rely heavily on separate custom CSS files. This concludes our brief overview of the advanced features available in PineGrow.